Hi, we're here at Downtown Sounds. It's the opening Downtown Sounds of the summer, and we're here with members of the band Third World. We're here with Richard, Kat, and AJ. And I just wanted to say welcome to Bellingham.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
You started almost over 40 years ago in Jamaica, is that right?
Yes, 1973. Right.
Awesome. So
Yeah.
what's the secret to having a band be successful for that long of a time?
Discipline, good behavior, dedication.
Curfews at night.
Curfews at night.
and professionalism,
Yeah.
And getting along too, right? You have to
Yeah.
get along.
chemistry.
I heard that you got the Peace Medal from the United Nations. I'm really interested in that. Can you tell me about that?
That was Mr.
Yeah,
Ford.
sure. We got what is what's called the Africa in Crisis Medal, and it was basically based on the fact that we turned down an offer to go to South Africa in the time of apartheid, which was very lucrative. And having taken that stance and having written the kind of songs that we wrote over the years and so on, we were afforded the United Nations Africa in Crisis Peace Medal in 1986, maybe 85, 86. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
It's a treasure to us.
Congratulations. So you guys are doing an album later this year, is that right?
We're in the middle of it actually. We started already, and in fact our single, which is right here, Imasgan, is out. So all you viewers go check this out. Imasgan, that's the name of the song.
It's Amharic.
It's Amharic. It means praise to the Father. If you check on your Third World Facebook site
Or YouTube.
or YouTube, you'll see it. Go check the video out, go check the single out. Yeah?
AJ, I wanted to know what your favorite song is that you'll be playing tonight.
Well, wow, that's a hard question to answer because most of the songs that we do are my favorites. But the one that I enjoy singing is Try Your Love, Now That We Found Love, and Reggae Ambassador. Those are the three. So it cannot only be one.
Thank you guys so much for being here and opening up. That's so exciting. Third World's playing here in Bellingham, so we're really excited and grateful.
Okay, Mishi.
Okay.
Thank you.
Every time.